if you guys are looking for apps that you can install right now today to be literally cashing out a ton of PayPal money, I got good news for you. I'm going to be showing you not one, not two, not three, but 4 apps that you can install right now to be making some completely free money. And if you guys make sure to watch till the end, in about the last 3 minutes of the video or so, I'm going to be showing you my favorite app for making money. That is an app that you use every single day, that if you guys actually go ahead and know the real method for using it, then you could absolutely cash out. Using this app that you use daily, I make over $15,000 a month, and I get sent all the free stuff that I want. So if that sounds interesting, make sure you guys go ahead and stick till the end of the video, because this is the Xavier channel where I teach you how to get literally anything for free. So if that does sound interesting, make sure you guys go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that like button so we can go ahead and push this video in the algorithm. But as always, thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a good day. So as you guys can see, I have my phone right here on my screen, and I'm going to be showing you the method to be making tons of money. And like I said, if you guys do in fact actually stick to the end of this video, around the last 3 minutes or so, I'm going to go ahead and show you my #1 app that I use to make over $15,000 a month. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is make sure you go into the description and download CashApp. People don't know this, but CashApp is actually one of the newest and best payment processors that you guys could be using right now. I am a huge fan of CashApp. Any peer-to-peer payment that I do, I exclusively use CashApp, because the nice thing about CashApp compared to any other kind of banking account is that they do not offer the ability for chargebacks, which if you've ever done business before, me personally, I run a couple e-com sites and I lose about $2,000 a month because of people maliciously charging back, most of the time even after they receive their products. And oh, just like that, as you guys can see, my balance just went from $18 to $23 because not only can I do any business transaction completely safe to me on CashApp, as you can see right here, I also turned CashApp into a passive money-making machine. If I go right here, you can see that CashApp actually has an option to invite people to the app. And if I go ahead and scroll through, as you guys can see, I have a ton of friends that are going ahead and that are doing the exact same thing that you should have already done and going ahead and installed CashApp using my link, which will give them and myself a free $5. So if you want to help yourself and myself make some free easy money, then go ahead and download CashApp with the first link in the description down below, where you will get a free $5 upon sign up. And as you guys can see right here, this is completely legit. I have a ton of proof of this, but as you can see, there's a lot of people that have actually not received the bonus, because in order to get the bonus, you have to 1, link a bank account, and 2, send $5 to another person. So if you have a friend that already has CashApp, just send $5 to them really quick. You could send $5 to me. I won't refund it though. I'm not going to give it back, but you could if you want, and then you would get a free $5 from that, so you could just cancel it out. On top of that, if you guys actually go ahead and get the cash card, as you can see right here, there's a bunch of stores that you guys can go ahead and get a lot of very nice discounts from. So if I go ahead and scroll through here, you can see right here I can get 5% off Kohl's. Right now I have it set that I can get 5% off of Starbucks. They actually do have an offer for getting 95% off Discord Nitro, which means that if you guys actually install CashApp with my link down below and get the free $5, you will get Discord Nitro for completely free, because 95% of 60 is definitely less than 5, which means that you can get an entire year of Discord Nitro for completely free by using this method. Plus, there's a lot of other ways to save money with CashApp. You can buy Bitcoin with CashApp, which if you're like me and you do business abroad, I love using BTC because I don't have to deal with any stupid laws around it. And CashApp makes buying Bitcoin very easily. You can also file your taxes on CashApp if you wanted to. You could do some stocks. You could even do direct deposits and get paid 2 days earlier. And you can even loan from CashApp. So I've actually made a full video explaining how to do this. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to go ahead and check my channel for that exact video. So the next app you guys are going to want to download is going to be AdAole, which is going to be in the first link in the description down below. And as you guys can see right here, I've made well over $250 from AdAole in just the last couple of months. And all I do is that I go ahead and use a secret method that I'll show you a little bit later. And like I said earlier, guys, make sure you stick till the end for around the last 3 minutes, because I'm going to show you the app that makes me $15,000 a month. But I'm going to go right here, and you guys can see that there is a bunch of super easy surveys that we could go ahead and fill out. So I'll go ahead and just fill out one of these for you. Have you ever served in the United States military? Nope. What describes your health insurance? I'm covered by my parents. Which following does not have wheels? So if you guys are just spamming through these surveys, inevitably what you're going to encounter is something like this, which is called a speed trap. Essentially what a speed trap is that it is a thing that AdAole will use to make sure that people are actually responding to these surveys instead of just like spamming through them and cheating the system. So if you guys are going to use AdAole, make sure you actually do fill out the surveys and use intelligence instead of just ban clicking, because you will end up getting banned. I've seen people get banned from AdAole before, so I would not screw up this opportunity in front of you and instead make sure that you are actually filling out the right answer. And obviously the thing is an elephant. I own a used car. What kind of savings or investment account? I have a IRA, Roth. Which of the following have you purchased? Mobile phone, not bought a laptop, flight tickets. I've moved. If you guys can see, this is my new studio right here. We're still building it. Got stuff coming in. I got posters and stuff coming in, so we're still in the process. That doesn't count for this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hit next. And then there you go. I just made some easy free money. And plus, if you guys install AdAole with my link down below, if you haven't already, you will get a free 50 cents just for signing up. And as you can see, I've recommended over 400 friends to AdAole. So if you guys want to help yourself and myself, make sure you guys go ahead and also install AdAole with the link in the description down below. While you're at it, you should install the next app, which is going to be Eureka. Eureka is another awesome survey app, which I am a huge, massive fan of. And as you guys can see right here, I have made almost $250 from Eureka. And if you guys do go ahead and install Eureka, just like with AdAole with my link in the description down below, you will get a free 25 cents just for installing, and you will get a free $1 survey upon sign up. If I go ahead and go to this earn section right here, you can see that there is a lot more surveys on Eureka than there is for AdAole. So what I like to do when I'm sitting on the can or sitting on the john, or if I'm doing cardio at the gym, I'll just get on my phone and I'll start filling out these super easy surveys, because I'd rather be making money doing nothing instead of just not making money and just wasting my time and instead making someone else money. So if you guys do have a little bit of hustle in you, make sure you guys go ahead and install the 3 apps that we've already suggested. But I have diddled you a little long enough. I am now going to tell you my favorite app for making money that I literally make $15,000 a month from. And you can see right here, I have a bunch of apps installed on my phone. Which one could it be? Oh, it's YouTube. If you guys didn't know, YouTube is actually your best opportunity to make money in our digital economy than you're ever gonna find. On YouTube, you can literally market anything. If you know how to do anything, if you have anything useful in your life, make YouTube videos about it. Because when you make YouTube videos about it, you will get people to funnel it through and actually will make you easy money. I have a full guide explaining how to do this in the description down below, as well as a full method for exactly what I do to make over $15,000 a month. So if you guys want to learn the secret dark method for hacking YouTube that literally you're not going to find anywhere else, I've never seen anybody make any information about this. Everything that you've seen, my knowledge of YouTube is so vast that you have to go to Xavier.net, which you can learn there for either free or paid, because on Xavier.net, I literally have everything that you're going to want for learning how to do that. I have stuff for free as well as I have stuff for paid. I have a lot of stuff there for free that if you guys go ahead and click around and watch all the videos, you will get literally thousands and thousands of dollars of value. So make sure you guys go ahead and check out Xavier.net with my link down below. And with that all being said, we have hit the end of today's video. So if you did enjoy it, make sure to go ahead and consider subscribing. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. And I hope that you have a good day.